Here we come to an elevator at the Embassy Suites by Hilton Scottsdale Resort here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's get our cab view. It's got GAL door equipment. Unmarked interlock. Let's go up to R. It's locked. Go up to M. We can go up to M though. Got a snap cab. Here on M. A little bit of classic leveling. We got office space here. Let's be quiet. Let's go down to G. ADA compliant phone. Past the 4,000 pounds. This is elevator number 7. This is a very nice elevator. Installed probably in the 80s. A little bit of classic leveling. That's awesome leveling there. Let's go up to M again. And the door closes when you push the button. GAL Fixtures, GAL JetPlus. Watch that awesome leveling. We'll go down to G. Door closes when you push the button. We'll look out the glass one more time. This elevator shakes a little bit. Awesome classic leveling. And then get one last cab view. There's a view of the shaft. Can't see much, but here it goes. I think this used to be an Amtech, but it was modernized just at some point in the 90s. Anyways, here it goes. That's it.